Hello students, in this video we are going to create a web page using HTML. So what is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web page. So we can do the HTML coding in a notepad. So first you can take notepad and you can start typing the HTML code. So first I'm typing HTML tag. I should start from here. And finally, I need to close this HTML tag. So for closing, you can use the simple. So I opened HTML tag and closed HTML tag. So in between this, I need two sections, that is head and body. So two parts are there, head part and body part. So first I am going to give head and I'm closing this head. If I open head, I want to close this head, right? And after head, I'm going to open the body section of the web page. That means the white space in the web page. I want to give any contents there. I can include everything inside body. But if I open body, I need to close it. So these are the main structure of HTML. And inside head, I will say you the use of head. Uh, what is this part? It's a title bar, right? So in the title bar, you can see the file name. If you save this file name, you can see the name of that file name here. So if I want to give the title of a web page, I can give inside a head using title tag. So I'm going to give a title heading introduction to HTML and I'm closing that title tag. So inside head I should give title tag and inside body I need to give the content of the web page. For example, I'm going to give basics of HTML. And now this is a simple web page and now I am going to save the file. Click on file, click save. Here you can give, I'm selecting desktop so that the files will be saved here so that I can easily show you. So file name I'm going to give introduction. And don't give any space and all, just give a simple file name and extension is .html. So without giving this, you can't, you won't get any web page. So after typing the file name, you have to give .html. That is your file extension. So I'm going to save this. So in desktop, I got a web page. So if you are using Google Chrome, you can use that. So I'm double click on that. So I'm getting a web page like this, means content I gave basics of HTML and in the title bar I gave introduction to HTML, right? So this is a basic of HTML and I'm adjusting this web page and I'm making this notepad and web page in one screen so that you can see the coding and the web page at the same time. So I think it will be more easier for you, so you don't have to again open and close this web page. So whatever change you are making here, you can give file save, then you can give refresh so the changes may appear here. Okay, so practice this. And now I'm going to give some styles or make some changes in the contents. So I want to make it as bold. I will give here B tag for making bold. Okay. And I'm going to save this and I'm going to refresh this. See the difference? I made it bold. And if I want to give underline, I will give U. I'm closing that. I gave underline. Then after this, I want to give a line, horizontal line. So I'm going to give HR tag, save it and refresh it. So a horizontal line appeared. And after this, I'm going to give some paragraph using P tag. I'm going to give some contents like HTML means hypertext, markup language is used to create web pages. We can insert images, tables, and lists in HTML. We can also use hyperlinks and marquee in HTML. So I'm giving this, I'm closing that P, that means paragraph tag, I'm closing. So whatever you want to give the content, just give it and file, save, refresh it. So I gave this paragraph. And if I want to separate this after each line, let me close the paragraph. And here I will give, I will open the paragraph again. And finally, I'm going to close the paragraph. Okay. And file, save, refresh it. So I made it as 2 paragraphs. So this is how you give paragraphs and horizontal line, underline, bold. So everything should come in body part. Okay, so everyone practice this.